Hello everyone, welcome back to Adrenaline International Tutorial. I am Adrenaline, the Bazuka Prophet. If you are watching my video for the very first time, please do to be relaxed, be comfortable, and try to get your writing materials. I believe that this video will be a great exposure to you. Now we're going to be solving another question under stoichiometry. And this part of stoichiometry is a very crucial area. So without wasting time, let us solve. Now, this question boils down around so many areas. And the question says, at 25 degrees Celsius, 45 grams of calcium chloride was placed in 50 cm cube of water to give a saturated solution. If the salt has a solubility of 6.85 mole per dm cube at this temperature, calculate the mass of the solute left undissolved at that temperature. Of course, it's very easy. Now, before I start to give you the shortcut to solve this question, we need to understand that there's a formula to calculate for any question that involves the mass of an undissolved solute. The formula is mass of the solute, which you are always giving, is equal to mass of the dissolved solute plus mass of the undissolved solute. And in this case, we are looking for the mass of the what now? Undissolved what? Solute. It's very simple. Now, what do we do? Of course, from the question, you were given your volume. My volume was 50 cm cube. Of course, I was given my solubility to be 6.85 mole per dm cube. Now, the question says, calculate the mass of the solute left undissolved. But before then, the molar mass of calcium chloride is equal to calcium. Is it not 40? Yes, which is 40 plus chlorine is 35.5. Remember, one chlorine is 35.5, but you have two chlorine here. So it will be 35.5 multiplied by what now? 2, which is not equal to, so we come here to add it up, which is now 40 plus 71. 40 plus 71 to give me 111 gram per mole. Now, we shouldn't disregard the formula. The formula for solubility is equal to mass over molar mass multiplied by 1000 over volume. Hence, you are seeing the reason why I had to calculate for the molar mass, because it is involved in the formula. If you know this formula, then that is solved. Now, from this question now, we are looking for the mass of the dissolved solute. Right? So we come here to say solubility here given to me was what now? 6.85 equal to X over the molar mass of the salt was 111 multiplied by 1000 over the volume given to me from the question was 50. What do? I multiply, giving you the possible ways. So here is 6.85 is now equal to, I'm having 1000x over 5550. Of course, when you multiply here, it becomes what now? It becomes multiply by 6.85. 6.85, which will give me what now? 38017.5 equal to 1000 what now? X. Now I'm looking for X. You divide it now with 38017.5 over 1000. Of course, it's going to give me 38.0175 gram. So now we have gotten for the mass of the dissolved solute from this question. Now the question now is, what is the mass of the undissolved solute? If you observe in this question, we didn't touch this mass because this is the mass of the solute. Now the mass of the undissolved solute will now become, of course, mass of undissolved solute is now equal to the mass of the solution is what now? The mass of the solute rather is 45 minus the mass of the dissolved solute is 38.0175. When you subtract, the final will become 6.9825 gram. Now if we check our options here, the best among our options here is D. You see it now? So if I were you, I would take my time to go through it from the beginning, bringing out the formula first, that whenever you are asked a question for the mass of undissolved solute, this is the formula, you bring out the volume and follow the steps. You watch it again and you master it. Thank you for watching. Do well to comment and do well to follow. God bless you.